2018 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI Police Interceptor, all-wheel drive. See how the Police Interceptors have special wheels, special grille, special lights, and special mirrors and door handles too. They're black. It's really nice. That's why we put black tips on it. So what we got done on it, factory converter there, factory X-pipe, factory mids. We might take those off next, but we did rear deletes there and there. There they are right there. That's what we cut off. Also put 4-inch tips, 4.5-inch tips out the back, black, double wall. Right there. Just really clean look on those tips. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. One more, that's good. Again. That's perfect. Here's sound decibels. Again. Police Interceptor. Again. Not bad. It raised at about 8 decibels. Go ahead and back it out. Even the Popo gets their cars done at exhaust statics. Just kidding. It is a decommissioned Police Interceptor. Let you guys hear on the inside.